Hey there, welcome to McNaught, and let's check out our gorgeous 2015 Cadillac ATS luxury sedan. Now the Cadillac ATS is a great entry-level luxury sedan here, and this model has just over 46,000 kilometers on it as of this video, so that's well under the average 20,000 kilometers a year. So the previous owner has kept this thing in immaculate condition. It's always been serviced at our dealership here at McNaught. And without further ado, let's dive into some of the features you've got. So under the hood, you're going to find a 2-liter turbocharged engine producing 272 horsepower going to all four wheels. Now talking about those wheels, these are 18-inch aluminum polished rims. And if you look back there, you're going to find the Cadillac branded Brembo brake calipers for extra stopping power. On the front end, you do have those gorgeous signature Cadillac headlights with the front parking sensors as well. And as we move around the other side, you're going to find your turn signal indicators on the mirror caps, as well as proximity locks on all four doors, which are going to allow you to lock and unlock the vehicle as long as the key is in your pocket. Now, a couple key features on the back end is your LED taillights. Now, the rear taillight spoiler is a great signature Cadillac feature. You've also got your rear parking sensors and a powerful dual exhaust system to complement the vehicle's motor. Now, I do want to mention you do also have remote start with this vehicle, and to use that feature, you're just going to grab your key fob and you're going to hit the lock button once and then hold down remote start. Now, taking a look inside the ATS, this is the jet black leather interior, and I gotta say, this thing just came out of detail and it looks brand new. Look at these door sills, how nice and clean they are. No scratches on the interior, so that's a great thing you want to look out for when you're buying a pre-owned vehicle. Fully power adjustable seat controls for both front passengers, as well as your brightness switch and parking sensor toggle. On the door panel, you've got this nice aluminum insert here with the white stitching, jet black leather. Driver's memory seat settings, as well as power adjustable mirrors, one touch-down windows, and Bose premium audio in this vehicle. Now, sitting inside the Cadillac ATS, we're going to go over a couple of the key features you get here in the front end. Now, on the steering wheel, which is leather wrapped, you've got your heated wheel option, as well as your hands-free call buttons and cruise controls. Now, if we move on over to the right-hand side, these are mostly radio controls, your volume, track selection, as well as your 5-point command center, which you could use to configure that center screen here if you want to change those 3 little displays to whatever you want: digital speedometer, tire pressure, radio information. That's not a problem. Now, taking a look at your infotainment system, this is an 8-inch touchscreen display, Cadillac Q system with navigation. You've also got Sirius XM radio, AM, FM, Bluetooth, phone pairing. As well, you also have access to your climate controls right from the get-go. Now, speaking of climate controls, you do have your physical climate controls located down below here, as well as 2 front heated seats for front passengers, and a nice little hidden storage compartment with a wireless charging mat. So that's a pretty unique feature that only Cadillacs have. On the inside, DC charge outlet. You've got your leather wrapped gear selector, which does feature a manual mode. Now, there's no paddle shifters in this vehicle, but you could still use this manual mode to have better control over your transmission. And of course, you've got your rear backup camera with parking sensors to give you some sound feedback when you're approaching another vehicle. A couple more things: traction control. You've got your drive mode selector, which gives you Tour, Sport, and Snow mode, as well as inside the the center armrest, you're going to find your USB ports, SD, and auxiliary. Now, last, if we head on up towards the ceiling, you've got your LED dome lights, your power slide tilt sunroof controls, as well as your garage door transmitters. Now, back seat space in the Cadillac ATS is pretty good. You've got enough room to seat 3 passengers. Not quite as much room as its bigger brother, the CTS, but you've still got enough room back here for those longer road trips. You've got a full wall outlet to plug in a laptop, as well as a DC charge outlet for your phone, and a leather wrapped armrest here with some storage, cup holders, and access into the rear trunk. Now, speaking of the trunk, let's pop it open and take a look what you've got inside. And there's a surprising amount of cargo space back here. You could fold down those seats nice and flat if you need longer space for golf clubs or something. as well as some hidden storage down below. Now there's no spare tire in this ATS. In fact, you're covered by Cadillac roadside assistance, which is an option in this vehicle. So overall, if you're looking to get into an affordable Cadillac certified ATS, the Cadillac certified warranty has you covered with a couple free oil changes and a comprehensive warranty if anything goes wrong. So I invite you over to McNaught Cadillac to take a look at our ATS, and we'll definitely help you out.